The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 11 for further details.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for East Central West Baton Rouge Parish in Southeastern Louisiana, Southern St. Helena Parish in Southeastern Louisiana, Northwestern Livingston Parish in Southeastern Louisiana, Southeastern East Feliciana Parish in Southeastern Louisiana, Northern East Baton Rouge Parish in Southeastern Louisiana, until 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:57 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Baker, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Brownfields and Maryvale around 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Zachary around 8:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Greenwell Spring around 8:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Pride and Watson around 8:15 a.m.